Alright, so today on Mojo's Bistro, we're going to be cooking some Salisbury steak, macaroni. We got our macaroni right here. And these are the shells, not the blue box, I assure you. And the fresh peas we got boiling right now. So like turn these down so they don't burn. I got the oven set at 415. And let's get started. Okay, so you can start off putting some water here in the macaroni. Okay, that should be enough. Put that here. Let's see, put that on 4. Next, we got Salisbury steak. Got some pepper there. Some onion powder. And some Creole. And next, last piece, we're gonna add some seasoned salt. So add that to the gravy there. Next, we're gonna mix up all the seasoning. Yep, so everything will blend in together. Right, you want to keep these separated so each one of them cook very thoroughly. Next, put it in the oven. Top it off with some more pepper there so it can have some flavor to it. There we go. Pick it up later. Alright, so we're going to drain the macaroni. Back in here. Next, we're going to add some cheese. Some milk, and this helps it make it cheesy, so that's why I added a lot of milk to it. Now, just gonna mix it up. Now the key to making it cheesy, you gotta let it boil and simmer. That way, you know, all the milk that you see now will gel up, and that's how you make real macaroni. And just for, you know, my little taste here, add a little pepper to it. Mix that up. So we're gonna let that boil. And here's the result. Got the macaroni here. Whew. Oh yeah. It ain't easy being cheesy. Salisbury steak and fresh peas. So Catch you guys in a minute. So you're back. Alright guys, there you go. The Salisbury steak dinner. Got the good texture of gravy there. Peas are good. And the macaroni is extra cheesy. So just follow the steps of the video and I'll catch you guys next time.